Today I'm in the coveted and gated neighborhood of Chambord at Rolling Hills Ranch. Nestled at the foothills of the mountains here in East Chula Vista, this community has so much to offer. From scenic hiking trails, biking trails, parks and recreation centers to shopping and dining. Let's go tour this incredible home. Located at 2860 North Compass Circle, this home features 3 bedrooms and 2 baths and an office downstairs that can easily be converted into a 4th bedroom. Spanning 3,498 square feet, this home also includes a spacious 3-car garage. Upstairs, you'll find a flex space perfect for relaxing with a book, setting up a workstation, or creating a play area. The master suite offers beautiful views and includes a private fireplace. Some of my favorite things about this home are the beautiful hardwood floors, the gated courtyard for added privacy, and the large outdoor space. You really can have it all here, living in the quiet suburbs, being 15 minutes from San Diego. Call me to schedule your tour of this home at 619-227-0801.